When reading a file with less or more, how can I get the content in colors? When I read a file in Linux with the command less or more, how can I get the content in colors?
If you just want to tell less to interpret color codes, use less r. Ref. You can utilize the power of Pigmentize with less, automatically. No need to pipe by hand. Install Pigments with your package manager or pip, possibly called Python Pigments, or get it here, this URL. Write a file, .lessFilter. In your .bashrc, or .zshrc or equivalent, add. Also, you need to make .lessFilter executable by running. Edit. If you have lesspipe on your system, you might want to use that to automatically unzip archives when looking at them with less, for example lesslog.gs. Lesspipe also supports a custom .lessFilter file, so everything said above works the same, you just have to run. In your RC file, instead of setting the lessopen variable, run echo $lesspipe to see what it does. Your .lessFilter will still work. See man lesspipe. Test it on Debian. You get the idea. This can of course be improved further, accepting more extensions, multiple files, or parsing the shebang for other interpreters than Bash. See some of the other answers for that. The idea came from an old blog post from the makers of Pigments, but the original post doesn't exist anymore. BTW. You can also use this technique to show directory listings with less.
Try the following. From manless. Are all raw control chars causes raw control characters to be displayed. Are all raw control chars like R, but only ANSI color escape sequences are output in raw form.
I got the answer in another post, less and grep, getting colored results when using a pipe from grep to less. When you simply run grep color, it implies grep color equals auto, which detects whether the output is a terminal and if so enables colors. However, when it detects a pipe, it disables coloring. The following command will always enable coloring and override the automatic detection, and you will get the color highlighting in less. Warning, don't put color equals always as an alias, it breaks things sometimes. That's why there is an color equals auto option.
Use View instead of less. It opens the file with Vim in read-only mode. It's practically a colored less, a pager where you can search with, and more. The only drawback is that you can't exit with Q, but you need column Q. Also, you get the same coloring as Vim, since you're in fact using Vim.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.